So this gives you a little bit of an idea what this kitchen's going to look like here. If you want to level up your kitchen, this is a great way to do it. Just add a door style end to the sides of the cabinets, which make the cabinets look a lot fancier, nicer, and we're going to do some custom crown on this kitchen, which is going to make it a level above as well. So this is what the kitchen's going to look like. We are in the 3D mode of the kitchen planning software, and we can zoom in, we can zoom out, we can turn and rotate. I want to kind of compare what it's going to look like in the 3D stage to what it's going to look like in real life. So this is going to be looking in from the dining room into the kitchen here, and you can see on the sides here it's got door ends and wainscot panel here, door ends up here. It's going to have glass doors coming across here, glass doors by the stove, appliance garage over here in the corner, a farm sink. So we're going through the plans here, getting them entered into the software system here to go into the CNC. We're going to be cutting these out the next day. We just kind of want to start from the beginning and show you what our drawings look like, how we enter them in the computer, and then I got some notes on here. And then we also have their appliance list here. So this is the software here to create the parts for the kitchen, cutting it out on the CNC. So once we hit this nest button here, I came across this software company when I was looking to get new 3D software just to make drawings and make the diagrams look nicer. And once I started looking into it, every time they would say something about, well, if you had a CNC, this is all you have to do is transfer this over and it would cut on a CNC. So the more I heard that, the more I thought maybe I ought to just make the leap and get a CNC. So 5 years ago, we decided after getting the software to just buy the CNC. And so now we have it. They told me that I wouldn't regret buying it, and they were right. It was worthwhile. The company that creates the software and the CNC are both the same company, and they are based out of Texas. Here it's just about done. Finishing the last couple sheets up here, and we're gonna send you into the CNC so you can watch some of that being cut. Okay, here we have the drawings for all the doors for this kitchen. We went through, measured all of the openings of all the doors, and then entered them into the computer, which gives us a drawing like this, which shows all the rails, the styles, where they go, what size they are, what panels need to be cut out. And what we do is we take this, it spits us out a panel sheet, and then we can enter the sizes of these panels into my CNC program. Here now it's using the scrap piece of plywood we have. We entered the size of the plywood in here, and then it's using a full sheet and a partial of a full sheet. Now once we hit quick code, it's going to create the G code, and that's it. Okay, so as you can see in the background there, Braden was already making the frames for this kitchen. So in the next video, we'll be finishing making the frames, showing you making the doors, and then assembling, putting everything together, and installing. So you want to make sure you click the like and subscribe button so you get notified when the video comes out so you can see the finish of this kitchen. We'll see you on the job site.